Hi, today's video is mostly about this. How can you create a chatbot like this one? Let's try. So hey, cool. What's on my mind? Nothing? And you? Cool. Who are you? Amazing. May I? Created by OpenAI, designed to assist and answer questions. How can I help you today? So, how the system actually works. So just explaining really fast, you have the user right here, which is represented by the circle and a user. And basically, the user can interact directly with LangGraph, which is the agentic framework that we're using in Python. But the way we're doing it is actually just creating a better UI within Streamlit, which is very popular. And yeah, just communicating with LangGraph. So basically, how the application that I've showed you works is basically the user talking to Streamlit, Streamlit talking to LangGraph, the LangGraph with the graph itself, and then processing the input from the user, getting the output, and then outputting the output for Streamlit as well as the user. And how that mainly works is like this. So you basically have a start and then a chatbot, which is the inference process in the LLM that I'm going to show you in the right, and then basically you have the end, which is outputting the response back to the user. And for these two main files, what we have here is in the left we have the app. I think it's, yeah, you cannot see, but right here in the left we have the app.py, and in the right we have the graph, right? The app.py basically is the Streamlit application that we were talking about previously, and in the right we have the LangGraph graph that we're going to use. Okay, and mainly what do we have in this process? Let me just zoom in a bit. So we have in the left right here the imports, and then just a title, and then initializing the chat history, displaying the chat messages, and finally getting the input from the user. And this is running in Streamlit. I'm going to, yeah, we already saw that. And finally in the right what we have is some imports, just loading some variables, in this case the OpenAI API, and then we have this one class right here which is a representative of the state of the agent. So what's the state? The state basically contains all the messages we're going to exchange with the chatbot, and then we have like the function right here, which is given the state as the input is going to return the invocation of the LLM as the output. And then right here what we're currently doing is just compiling the graph itself. So for the graph we need the LLM, so the LLM is GPT-4o mini right here, and then we create the graph. So we have the workflow, the beginning right here, the state graph, and then we add the node, one node right here, and then we set the entry point of the node as the entry point of the graph as the chatbot, and finally we add the end right here. So basically, oh, let me just remove that. We're going to have then what we saw previously in the image right here, start, chatbot, and end. Finally we're going to have like the memory so that the agent can remember the things, and then we're going to compile the graph itself, and then we're going to save into this image in the left, and that's it. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you like it.